Kurt Caselli with Factory FMF KTM. We're out here in secret spot doing a little desert testing. I'm going to race the National Hare and Hounds this year, which is kind of exciting for me. It's been 10 years, I think. I was thinking about it on the way out here since the last time I did a full National Hare and Hound Desert Series. That's kind of what I grew up doing ever since I was 12 years old, which is kind of like the limit on how young you could be to ride desert. I was racing desert, all on 80s and all the way up to big bikes, and I ended up kind of just getting out of it when the Work Series started in 2001. That's pretty much when I got onto to a big bike, to a 250 two-stroke. And so now with the new technology of the four-strokes, it's definitely a lot different in the desert and also in the Work Series. So I'm excited. I did one national last year, the first round, and had a lot of fun. And I think that kind of planted something inside of me to get me excited to do the whole series this year. And with the support that I have from KTM and from FMF backing me, they're for pretty much whatever I want to do, and that's been awesome. And so it's something new for me, new and exciting, and it's been a while since I actually came out to the desert and tested for a desert race. This is going to be kind of a learning year, as well as a new thing for me. And my mechanic Anthony has been doing it for the last couple years for David Camo and David Pearson and a few other guys, and so he knows what's going on, and I think we make a good team. He's been working his butt off, and he knows what to look forward to in these races, and I kind of do, but it's been a while. As far as 2011, I'm excited to be with FMF KTM. I'm excited to be racing the National Hare and Hound Series. I think it's a good series, and they've done a really good job promoting it. Nothing but good vibes from KTM and also from the Hare and Hound Series. So I'm excited, and I hope everybody else out at the races is too.